Today I am joined by Yusef, and we're gonna be taking a trip down memory lane with all of our styles. We switch hair up all the time. This should be fun. Let's see what pops up on the screen.
Right behind you.
I see it.
Why is that first? Trendsetter.
Listen, we changed again. Was
We
revolutionary.
addressed it for the culture.
Whatever, we've done enough.
Okay?
All right.
Now this. I don't know what got into you this day. I don't know who you was mad at, but
I
you.
don't know. We were just trying to be very simple. Yeah, not doing too much. First day at work, y'all.
Paris Fashion Week,
Yeah.
and I sat in that chair and I just let him work,
Yeah.
do whatever he wanted, and he did this. Stylists before were trying to do with me, and I'm like, no, no, no. And for some reason, I just let him play, and I
Yeah.
loved it.
I wanna be sure.
I love this hair.
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
It's just easy, natural, let the humidity do the work
Yeah.
type of hair. In the islands, this hair just happens, but in America, you need the home curl, okay? Doing the Super Bowl is insanity. That was the one day that my hair was not a priority for me. You knew that I was so overwhelmed.
No, but it was beautiful. I love how everything just kind of floated once you got on stage.
It worked.
It worked.
Glamour.
Glamour.
Glamour, baby.
It's giving almost like I work at an art gallery or something. French roll meets ocean wave flip. No? Okay.
Let me tell you something about this hair. The girls figured it out after this, because
We was BC.
this, I cannot express how much literal pain just in my neck
Yeah.
alone. We were shooting Ocean's 8 and we were on set, and they would literally bring like a wood plank here and a stand there, and they would just like put it to the height of my head so
Oh,
that I
yeah,
could like
yeah, so you could just-
hold my dreads
Right,
up for
right,
me,
right.
because it was so excruciating.
I tried to warn her about that too, but she didn't want to listen.
Warn me,
I
that was the hair they wanted.
I know, but we was like knowing how heavy it was gonna be.
no,
We was
you
trying to
should've
figure out, should we do
should've figured out.
wigs? But no, we wanted to be
Wig?
exactly.
The girls figured it out.
Well, good for them.
You know what? Let's move on. This is taking a turn.
babe?
Ooh!
Babe, babe, babe.
This was one of your standout moments. You literally killed.
People have no
this.
idea like what we went through. We took a boat, a plane, a train
Oh my
to get to an
goodness.
island to do this. By far my favorite. This is my favorite. Like I love
I
this.
love those moments where you don't have like the perfect
Yeah.
environment and all the production and everything, and it just like magic happens.
Yeah, this was real grit at its best.
Ooh.
What we call that? What was it? With bubble pop? You know, most hairstyles have a name. For me, that's how I like get inspired. You gotta just create a name for
Like
it.
a character.
And this is bubble pop pussy electric hair.
Ooh.
Right?
It actually is giving all of those things.
Audience, what do you think?
Well, this picture right here, I had just started my postpartum hair loss, and we had to just make this hairstyle, and I do not know how you
Yeah.
pulled that off, but it's one of my favorite
Yeah.
glamour
It's juicy,
hairstyles.
it's, sexist. Postpartum what? Edges who?
Next, I love this.
Me too.
Everything, like the makeup, the hair, the outfit, this is one of my favorite.
Yeah.
You know what's my favorite? When we do hair that doesn't belong on a red carpet.
All right.
This is like, to me, this is like teenage girl hair. Just up, natural, tossed.
But you know what's so
like-
funny? These hairstyles I get the most questions about. Like people want to talk about like the simplest like hairstyle. We didn't do Bantu knots or we didn't do a doobie. So
That's
then like
crazy.
this stuff, they're just like, how did you get back there? You know what I mean? But it's so simple and girls like, they can do this themselves, you know what I mean? So it's nice to like see it.
Yeah, it feels like accessible and attainable.
Exactly. Yeah,
Love
this is
this hair.
another moment of what are you doing on the red carpet here?
I just love it. It doesn't belong with the outfit. It doesn't belong with the jewelry, but it made everything work.
Yeah.
It made everything elevated.
Yeah.
This was my braid era.
Yeah.
I didn't want to stop wearing braids.
I forgot about this. Another romantic spur of the moment. I don't think
Do you remember what we were thinking this day?
No, we wasn't thinking anything. It was one of those moments where it was just like, all right,
It just happened.
let's just figure
right?
this out. This needs to go. It happened.
I remember it was all about the outfit this day.
And I could say this, like, for black girls, this is like an aha moment. You're like, all right, we can pull these looks. Like, we don't always have to be coiffed and prepped on.
That's it. wrap.
Whoa!
And that concludes.
Goodbye, Yusef. Thanks everyone for watching us down memory lane.